I have been seeing this all over TikTok and I'm wondering, does this actually work? Did you see those curls? I have been seeing this air wrap thing everywhere. And what did I do, you ask? I bought it. But that Dyson thing is too expensive. I was like, no girl, no. So I got this one that basically looks the same. So this is how it looks. And let's try it. My hair is dry, so now we're gonna get it wet. I'm also using this. If you didn't know, my hair is like long, so this is gonna be a true test. Oh my god, it's working! The moment of truth. Bro! People said you should let it sit for a couple of hours like this. I am almost done with the whole hair. The curls are turning out pretty cute. The bangs are kind of tricky, so I'm gonna do them last. I have never spent this much time on my hair, and if it doesn't look good, I'm gonna be really mad. I'm filming this in real time, so I'm gonna get back to you in like an hour. See ya in 60 minutes.